Morning, everybody. We're going to do a nice little walk of the Central Market today. Here with Gant.
Hey.
We're going to get some coffee. We need the coffee. We're going to get into some olives, maybe some salamis,
Nuts.
maybe some feta pies. Some nuts, yeah. We're gonna see what we can't get ourselves into. We're gonna flip the camera around, just take you on the walk with us. Athens, Greece, by the way. Ha ha ha. Didn't mention that. All right. Coffee.
It's hot. I think we can buy these little things in the market too.
I don't know what I'm going to do with that. So I might as well wait. Well, we're going to have our coffees and then take you on a walk around the market. All right. All right, I think of one of those, not the electronic ones.
Yeah, I was gonna get her one of those.
Yeah.
One of them.
I want that black one.
Yeah.
All right. Probably the ones with the sugar. Maybe the ones in the front of the spinach or the savory. And those are the sweets. Hello. Can I get one feta pie? And is this bogazza cream? Okay, one.
One and one.
One and one.
Do you want to take away for
Yeah. We'll eat out here.
Cinnamon on the top, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll try it.
Trying to find the spot with the least bird shit.
Yeah.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
All right. I think we end with the bogazza. They're hot, which I'm happy about.
Oh, that is hot.
All right. First we have this feta pie that I'm pretty happy about. I had it the other day. Gonna rip it open, see if we can get some half sort of cross section.
Feta and a pie crust. Try that.
Oh, bro. That crust is really good.
It's so good.
Oh, that's really nice.
My bite didn't even get into the feta, and it's all crust,
neither.
and I'm pretty happy about it.
Get a feta, just bite into that one.
Hands are just moist with cheese goo. Look at that.
That does look amazing.
I like this with the background of graffiti. Focus back in. Hell yeah. Yeah, let's take a look. Yeah, give it a crack open.
I'm gonna try from the other end. It feels like the cream went down this way. Cream in there? Oh no, it's just pastry, but it's so good.
I think it is
that?
I think it is that.
It's
It's
really
not
good.
literal cream. It's metaphorical cream.
Okay.
Yeah. How can you taste any difference in the
Oh,
between the pastry and the metaphorical cream?
yeah. Because the first bite of the edge was just like a Pop-Tart, you know?
Yeah.
Where it's just like the crust part. Oh, it's really good. It's like, I've had that before. It's kind of similar to, what are they called? They're in Portuguese little
The egg
custard.
tarts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's similar to that.
Oh yeah.
Not too sweet either. I
Not too sweet.
definitely like
Like
it
the,
better than the
like the
donuts.
cinnamon on it.
Yeah.
Well,
That was definitely a treat.
now we've had coffee. We've had breakfast. If you consider this breakfast. Europeans do. I don't. But now that I've had dessert at 9:30 in the morning,
How do you go back to bed?
I will in about 3 hours. Yeah. Time to just aimlessly walk around. Maybe I'd like to try some olives. I'd feel bad if I left here
We got it.
without trying an olive sampler. Switch his camera around. Boop. This is Meatland again.
Yeah, where did you want to go? You want to go deeper in?
Where was that?
Olive joint.
No, the garbage factory.
Oh, yeah, that's over
Yeah.
there. You want to walk over there?
Oh yeah. Let's see if they still have it. All of this broken clarinet that I'm too afraid to touch and knock everything over. A little bit of Lumiere. This Guitar Hero controller, literally. It's just so much broken wood. Bowl of Zippos. Does it work?
Nope.
Wasn't even shut.
Does that even work?
Nope.
Cool.
It's
But,
full of stuff. It's just you really have to sort through.
In this Greek book on what looks like American politics. It's interesting.
Meat cleaving knives.
cameras and silverware. Do you need anything from any of these? Has anything? But it's a little roasty. I think new kitchenware. Yeah.
Great coffee.
If I lived here, I buy all my pots here. These look like pretty nice. Yeah. I'm happy about that. This gramophone, Alexander Graham Bellophone. Some tambourines on a lady's head. Really do like that.
I do like that as well. That would be definitely.
Oh look, a coffee.
Yeah, the coffee.
But a newer one.
Sand.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
All right. Oh, hey. Hey, you found it. Incredible.
What you want to do?
I don't really know the differences between. I'm pretty dumb as far as it goes olive-wise.
They have like a mix bag?
I sure hope so.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'll buy one of these.
You gonna buy one?
This is Kalamata olives, pastry olives, okay, for Greek salad.
Oh, perfect.
This is prune olives. Prune olives.
Prune olives.
Very tasty, a little bit salty.
A little salty.
This is from Halkidiki, green olives with lemon, bay leaves and rosemary.
Oh,
This is from Fasos, sun-dried. Different taste, piquante, salty.
okay.
Okay, and this is from Halkidiki, also extra large.
Wow, it's massive.
Okay.
Very good.
Yeah, thank you.
This is the dessert that we had. And
Thank you very much.
jars.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah, I got it.
Thank you.
We've had our coffee. We've had our pastry breakfast, fake breakfast. And we've had an olive haul, which is something I wanted. And now we're just going to meander on back home. See what else we might run into over here. Oh, I see a...
Oh, a Dumbek.
Yeah, I saw the Dumbek too.
How much is the Dumbek? I don't want to see it. Again, why would you have that outside?
Why would you have any of these instruments just blasting? It sounds fine. Oh yeah.
Great.
It's very nice.
How much?
100.
100 euro?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
100 olives.
Sounds great. I wish I had luggage for it. That's $100.
That's... Is that good?
Yeah.
Oh,
Amazing.
what do we have here? I see a giant glob of feta. You want some cheese to go with that for our lunch or
It's up to you.
siesta
You wanna
lunch?
grab some cheese?
Yeah. Hello. Is this fresh feta? In the back. Ah. Hello. Can I get a small portion of feta? For here, yeah. Oh, that's for. Gonna take a rip?
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Take some. Yeah.
Oh, that's real good. Oh, thank you.
And this is the soft one.
Soft.
The first is the traditional one.
Mm.
And then is the soft one.
I like the traditional one. Sorry, I didn't mean to. Yeah, I can do half kilo of the traditional. Thank you.
All right, so let's recap. We got some coffee. We ate a feta pie pastry. We got some cream pastry. We walked around some meat and fish markets. We went to a junk store, a politely called by me junk store. We picked up some olives. We picked up some fresh cheese for us to have on our rest break because it's too hot and it's... What time is it now?
It's time for a nap.
It's time for a nap.
It's nap time. It's not even 11.
Not even 11. It's getting real hot out.
Yeah.
We're going to walk back and then have our Mediterranean lunch of feta cheese and olives. Maybe we'll go to the grocery store, pick up a loaf of bread.
That's a good idea.
And,
Some cured meats.
oh yeah, we didn't get into cured meats over there, but that's okay. We saw some stuff. Now we're going to go back. That was a morning,
Yeah,
a nice Hellenic morning here in Athens, Greece. Well, hope you enjoyed. Come along for the next one. All right, toodaloo. Little update from yesterday, or from this morning. Brian is just buying...
$65 for a ceramic Dumbek. That's crazy. I think if I jettison all my clothing, I can carry this in my luggage.
Yeah.